I move that we subpoena this 18-year-old daughter of the spouses.
Secretary, can you
Or
implement?
they have already been invited. Maybe I stand corrected. Issue a warrant of arrest.
Mga anak ng amo ni Nanay LV hindi sumipot sa Senate hearing matapos isubpina ng Senado. Dahilan umano, menor de edad ang mga ito. Desisyon ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada, padalhan ng warrant of arrest ang anak na babae ng mga amo ng kasambahay na sangkot din sa issue.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada, baka meron kang, napagod na ako sa katatanong din, baka meron kang karagdagan tanong sa mga doktor natin at kay Manang LB.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Tanungin ko lang sa COMSEC dahil pinasubpina natin yung mga anak nitong amo. Ano nangyari?
Sir, I was informed by the council of the ex-employers that the two subjects are minors and are currently in school, Your Honor.
Ilang taon na, with the permission of Senator Estrada, ilang taon na yung mga bata na nag-aalaga ka rin ng bata, LB?
Malalaki na po yung mga anak po ng amo ko. Yung panganay po, 18. Yung bunso, 16.
18 na, anong taon yan? Anong taon? Ito lang taong ito?
Opo.
Lalaki, babae?
Yung pong panganay babae.
So, 18 anyos. Hindi na minor de edad, attorney? Comsec? DSWD? Saan DSWD? Minor? Minor de edad ba yun? 18 anyos. DSWD, Assistant Secretary. Pwedeng dito kasi minor de edad.
Kapag, good morning po, Mr. Senator. Kapag po 18 years old and below, considered pa po na minor po yung pong subject.
Can't the committee invite them here? Because they're also involved in this issue. 18 years old is not considered a minor anymore. Correct?
Ang sa atin po kasi sa Department of Social Welfare and Development, of course, we always take primordial interest on the best interest of the children. At sinasabi nga po natin, 18 years old and below ay kinakailangan pa rin pong protektahan po natin. So
ibig sabihin, hindi namin sila pwede ipatawag, hindi namin siya pwede ipatawag at 18 years old.
I think we'll have to refer to the legal
If you want to call your
experts on this.
legal ASEC, do that. We'll give you time.
Thank you very much.
Anyway, I move that we subpoena this 18-year-old daughter of the spouses.
Secretary, can you
Or
implement?
they have already been invited. Maybe I stand corrected. Issue a warrant of arrest.
Ako si Luan Peñano para sa Eye of the Nation ng iNews Pasig.